Inboxr is an all-in-one tool for Facebook marketing and management. Also, you can integrate this tool with your Twitter account to make it have the same features as your Facebook page. This software tool is completely cloud-based, and it works seamlessly with your social media accounts to make your management work easier and faster. Inboxr does all the marketing tasks on complete autopilot, freeing you from the frustrating and repetitive approaching and follow-up works. Inboxr Features automate your fan page engagements in seconds, 100% set and forget. Research, upload, edit, monetize, post, schedule in seconds. 0 monthly fees, launch week only. Automate your follow-up messages in seconds. Never worry about missing leads again. Cloud-based software, any PC or Mac. World's first multi-social network chatbot. What are some of the things Inboxr can do for you? Increase conversions of users instantly. It allows you to send if this then that style messages, following up on past purchases, giving recommended products, services, and allow you to funnel users to sales pages automatically. Instantly message all your FB fans, new and old. One-click mass message current fans, past inboxes, drip-fed content, upsells, you name it, we do it. Build your email list instantly. It allows you to grab each user's Facebook emails without the user even having to type it. Simply have Inboxr ask to send the fan a coupon, a discount, related information, and when the user responds yes, it grabs the user's email, adds it to your autoresponder and starts the follow-up process. One-click chatbot installs of proven templates. It has its own marketplace with one-click install chatbots for all niches. This removes the need for the user to even create the bot. Just find the correct bot for your business in our marketplace. Click install, and done. Drip feed content to users. Just like in email marketing, drip feeding content allows you to build trust and, most importantly, increase sales with your audience. Have it create sequences for all new fans to create the ultimate funnel. Upsell e-com store purchases. Want to give you may also be interested in style messages and sales links to users who have purchased from you. No problem. It does this. Follow up with past leads. It can differentiate from who you have messages recently to who hasn't been contacted for X amount of days. This is great to make old leads warm again. Instantly message all your FB fans, new and old. 1. Select your broadcast. 2. Create the message you want to send. 3. Send broadcast to all subscribed Messenger fans. 4. Watch your open rates and sales skyrocket. Increase conversions of users instantly. 1. Select your trigger keyword. 2. Create a reply for that keyword or select a pre-written one. 3. Inboxr responds whenever that keyword is sent to your fan page. 4. Watch your interaction explode. Ultra Edition. Turn your Facebook fan pages into money-making monsters instantly. Includes post and schedule functionalities that no other tool in the world has. Every social discovery channel included. All modules and functionalities above included. Bonuses included. VIP group included. Unannounced bonus in